What's up, everybody? It's Samples 2. Investing can seem like a foreign language when you're first starting out. Even small, consistent investments can grow significantly over time, thanks to the magic of compound interest. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 8 investment options for beginners so you can start building your financial future today.
First up are index funds. They track a specific market index like the S&P 500, which is made up of 500 of the largest US companies. When you invest in an index fund, you're buying a tiny piece of all those companies. This keeps fees low and makes them super easy to understand, even for beginners. To get started, open a brokerage account, search for popular index funds like the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VOO, and set up automatic investments.
Next up are exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, which are very similar to index funds but with a bit more flexibility. ETFs can track various market indexes, focus on specific sectors, or even commodities like gold. They trade on stock exchanges just like individual stocks, so you can buy and sell them throughout the trading day. They're known for their low entry costs and high liquidity. Look for beginner-friendly ETFs like the Spider S&P 500 ETF SPY or the Invesco QQQ.
Target date funds are like the cruise control of retirement investing. These funds automatically adjust your investments based on your target retirement date. As you get closer to retirement, the fund shifts towards a more conservative mix of investments. They're a great option for hands-off investors who want to minimize risk. Many 401k plans and IRAs offer target date funds, making them easily accessible.
A high-yield savings account, or HYSA, is a fantastic option for beginners, especially if you're risk-averse. HYSAs offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, meaning your money grows faster while remaining incredibly safe. To get started, compare APYs from reputable online banks like Ali Bank or Marcus by Goldman Sachs.
If managing your own investments sounds intimidating, robo-advisors are your new best friend. These online platforms use algorithms to build and manage your investment portfolio based on your financial goals. Robo-advisors are known for their low costs and low account minimums. Popular robo-advisors include Betterment, Wealthfront, and M1 Finance. All you have to do is answer a few questions about your financial situation, and the robo-advisor takes care of the rest.
For those feeling adventurous, let's talk about individual stocks. Buying individual stocks means you're buying a piece of ownership in a specific company. It's a great way to learn about different industries and potentially earn higher returns. But remember, with higher potential rewards comes higher risk. If you're just starting out, consider using a platform like Robinhood or Fidelity that allows you to buy fractional shares.
Certificates of deposit, or CDs, are like the time travelers of the investment world. You're lending your money to a bank for a fixed period in exchange for a guaranteed interest rate. CDs are a low-risk option that can be a good fit for short to medium-term savings goals. To get started with CDs, check with your local bank or credit union and compare the terms and interest rates they offer.
So there you have it, the top 8 investment options for beginners. The best investment strategy for you depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. I recommend sticking with low-cost diversified options like index funds, ETFs, or robo-advisors. The most important thing is to just start. Start small, diversify your investments, automate your contributions, and focus on the long term. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more personal finance tips and